Hello, it's your boy Dewey, aka Dizzy, aka Young Dizzy. Today I'll be going over a website called Uiverse. They are open source UI elements library, or a repository rather. Yeah, you can call them a library, you can call them a repository. So what they do is that creators can come into the website and add elements or components that they have created. So there are a lot of elements here, a lot of UI elements here that you can use for your daily applications. So as a front-end developer, also it will help back-end developers that have built applications and want to display the app that they've built. They build the API service for it. So instead of going through all the stress and thinking about how your button is going to look like, or how your cards are going to look like, or how your toggles are going to look like, you can just come to Uiverse, and Uiverse will provide you a lot of components, a variety that you can use. So Uiverse has buttons, checkboxes, toggle switches, cards, loaders, inputs, radio button, forms, patterns, and tooltips. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use these components, how to use these elements. So right now we are in one of the elements. As you can see, we are using HTML and Tailwind CSS here. So some of the components have like just HTML and plain CSS. So they are built with HTML and plain CSS. So some of them are also built with HTML and Tailwind CSS. So another thing we can see is that we can copy to Figma. So I think you will need to create an account to copy to Figma, of which I don't want to do now. I just want to show us how to use the components. It's a straightforward process. So I'm going to be implementing it in a live code. In my code base that I've already set up. That's what I'm going to be doing. So it's a straightforward process. Copy the code and put it in your code base and display it on your web browser. So another thing we can see again, we can export to frameworks. So this says export to React. Look at it. Look at the React code. This is the button. So it's just HTML and CSS. So this is a JSX. This is it. You also export to Vue.js, but in this video I'm going to be using React.js. Export to Svelte, export to Lit. I think I'm just seeing this Lit for the first time. I'm going to explore it. I'm going to check it out. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using React.js. That's it. So the first first elements or category of elements I'm going to be checking is the buttons. So let us go to one of the buttons. Let us check this. Let us go down and see some buttons, see some nines buttons, because they have a lot of nines components. Look at this. Look at this. Just hovering over it, you can get a view of it. So it's just like a display. It's displayed already for you. There's a preview on the cards. You don't need to go into the component to test it. For me, I think we can just go. We can use this button. I like this button. So let us export it. Let us copy it. Alright, now we are in our code base. Let us paste our button elements that we copied. So it's just straightforward. It's a straightforward process. So we've imported our buttons into the Uiverse page. So let us check it. So I've also added some styles for the page, like some background styling for the page. Yeah, let us observe what we have. Right now, this is what we have. Yeah, our button is looking nice. Yeah, so next thing we are going to be looking at the check boxes. Alright, so there we have it. We have these beautiful components from Uiverse. Yeah. So in case you have that project you want to set up, you can go to Uiverse and look for an element that fits what you want, and you are good to go. It's a very nice resource. Well, in the future I might use it. That's if I have something I want to build just fast and quick. Yeah. So what I feel is that for back-end developers it's going to be very, very resourceful. Not for front-end developers that might just want to be creative, that have the skill to come up with things like this. Yeah, but for back-end developers that don't have much knowledge of CSS and Tailwind and the rest and styling, so they can use something like this. So thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Take care.